Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for September 6th to the 14th. Looking here at the period for September 6th to the 10th, and weakening tropical systems will make an impact on the flow and result in a deep trough and application across the mid-latitudes of North America. Models maintain a flat flow across the nation. Above normal heights are forecast from Russia, as you can see right here. From Russia down to off the northwest coast. And we have above normal heights in the east. Above normal heights here, and from Russia to off the northwest coast, and we have below normal heights here that starts to dig into the northern Rockies. The flow remains generally flat across much of the nation. We here have a subtropical ridge over the southern U.S., southwest flow over the eastern U.S. And we're looking now at the GFS ensembles, the Canadian, the European deterministics, the European ensembles, and the Canadian ensembles, all showing basically the same kind of flow. So during this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here, and below normal temperatures for this region. For precipitation, I'm forecasting below normal precipitation here, and above normal precipitation across this region. Now we're going to look at the period for September 9th to the 13th. Here we are looking at the 9th. This is a GFS. We still have our area above normal heights here, below normal heights near the Aleutians, and above normal heights across eastern Canada and the northeast. And we still have our west-southwest flow here and our subtropical ridge across this region. Take a look again at the GFS, the GFS ensembles, the European deterministics, the European ensembles, and the Canadian ensembles. We're going to go forward in time. We're going to go like to almost the end of the period. This is the 12th. This is the European, the GFS ensembles and the European deterministics. And we have the European ensembles and the Canadian ensembles. Now some of the models are showing, I can see here, a suppression of the subtropical ridge, and we still have this flow here across the eastern U.S. or across much of the nation. We still have our area above normal heights here. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting the same thing. We're calling for above normal temperatures here and here, below normal temperatures for this area, and for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, above normal precipitation for this area. Now we're going to look at the period for September 14th to the 18th. This is the 14th. This is the GFS ensembles. And we see we have our trough digging in here, still relatively flat flow that the models are maintaining. We still have our above normal heights here and above normal heights across this region. We're looking at the European ensembles. You can see it starts digging the trough deeper into the middle of the nation, and we're looking at the European ensembles a little bit weaker, but still relatively this weak flow, and here's a suppression of the subtropical ridge. Now I want to go further into the period to show you this one thing. The showing here a little progression of the central U.S. trough to push further eastward. As you can see in this picture, this is the European ensembles, and now the Canadian ensembles keeps it more to the west, and the GFS is also the same to the west, but some of the models are forecasting a slight progression eastward of the trough over to the Great Lakes region. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and here, below normal temperatures for this region, and for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. That didn't change very much, and above normal precipitation for this area. So that is a long-range weather forecast discussion for September 6th through September 14th. Thanks for coming, Jim, on this World of Weather, and have a good day.